Your aquaponics system can only stay healthy and stable if you understand one thing: the nitrogen cycle. It controls water quality, plant growth, and fish safety. If you don't understand this process, your system can fail very quickly. In this video, I'm going to explain the nitrogen cycle in simple terms so you know exactly how it works and why it's the foundation of every successful aquaponics setup. Make sure to stay until the end so you can fully understand how each step connects and keeps your system running smoothly. Ever wondered how fish help plants grow and how plants keep those fish healthy? Let's break down the nitrogen cycle in aquaponics system. Aquaponics relies on three main components: the fish, the bacteria, and the plants. And each one of these plays a specific role. The fish eat food and produce waste. That waste contains ammonia, which becomes dangerous if it builds up. So to prevent this, the water from the fish tank needs to move into the grow beds where the beneficial bacteria live. In my system, a pump in the fish tank sends water onto the grow beds, but other systems may use different methods. The goal is the same: to get the water onto the grow beds. Once the water reaches the grow beds, the bacteria begin their work. The first group of bacteria is called the nitrosomonas, which convert the toxic ammonia into nitrites. Nitrites, however, are still harmful to both fish and the plants. That's where the second group of bacteria, the nitrobacter, come in. They convert the nitrites into nitrates, which are safe and serve as an excellent nutrient source for plants. The plants then absorb the nitrates as food, allowing them to grow strong and healthy. As they do this, the water becomes clean again and returns back the fish tank. This entire loop is the nitrogen cycle. It's basically a continuous process that keeps the water safe for the fish and provides nutrients to the plants. And so, understanding this cycle is key. It is essential for maintaining a balanced and sustainable aquaponics system. If this explanation helped you understand the nitrogen cycle, please like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of aquaponics you'd like me to talk about or learn about next time. I'll see you in the next video.